for northwestern Rockingham County in southern New Hampshire, east central Hillsborough County in southern New Hampshire, southeastern Merrimack County in central New Hampshire, until 4 p.m. At 3:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Goffstown, or near Manchester, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Allenstown, Epsom, Auburn, Bow, Chichester, Goffstown, Pembroke, Candia, Manchester, Bedford, Deerfield, Hooksett, Nottingham, Loudoun, Northwood, New Boston, Dunbarton, Raymond, Concord, and Londonderry. This includes the following highways: Interstate 293 between mile markers 1 and 11. Interstate 93 between mile markers 18 and 35. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire: Hillsborough, Merrimack